February is here, and like it or not, tax season isn't far away. Linda Sexton is here from Jackson Hewitt Tax Services to tell us what we need to be concerned about in February, getting ready for tax season. Linda, thank you so much for being with us
Thank
today.
you, Danny.
All right, super. Well, what are we talking about today?
Well, since yesterday was the first day everybody was supposed to have their W-2s, I thought we'd revisit real quickly what you've got to get together to start getting ready for your taxes. First of all, a lot of people draw unemployment. They need to have their unemployment form. If you draw Social Security, your Social Security statement, your W-2s, any income statements and 1099s, receipt books, your mileage books, you know, for all your different miles, for education contribution, your charitable. And then look at life-changing events. What has happened in your life this year that's different? Did you have a baby? Did you buy a house? Did you get married? Did you get divorced? All those things has things that are changes, and so you need to get paperwork together. If you bought a house, bring your closing statements with you. And then, of course, if you had tornado damage, you know, we need to get that information as well. And then I thought we would talk about the benefits of e-file. That's something that now 77% of the individuals are e-filing now. It's a lot better tax return as far as there's less errors now, because it would be like trying to put a square peg in a round hole.
Right.
It has to be right or it rejects back.
Right.
And you have proof that you have filed, and it's just a lot faster tax return. And a lot of companies do that for free. They do not charge for electronic filing, and we're one of those.
Now, whenever we're talking about e-file, are we talking about going on the internet and going to the federal website and the state website to do that? Or are we talking about getting the software and doing it ourselves at home? I just want to be clear.
Well, you can do it different ways.
Okay.
You can do it those ways, or a reputable company that e-files for you. And like I said, that's a service we do that we don't charge for.
Oh, okay.
So that's it. And then also, one of the things that I would like to remind people is that when you're getting your tax information together, you can come by any of our offices and get a free tax organizer to help you to organize your things for you know, so that when you come in you have everything, so that you don't miss deductions, so that because that's the thing you don't want to do. The law is there. You want the law to work for you, and for you to get every deduction that you're entitled to.
Now the organizer, is that the folder that you've brought up here a few times in the past?
Yes.
It's got the checklist on. It's like, do you have this? Do you have? You don't happen to have one with you
today,
do
do.
you? Heck yeah, let's pull that out and let the folks
Okay.
at home see. Yeah, these are nice. See, this is what I need right here. These are your deductions and all that. Well, you tell the folks at home about it.
Well, one side is where you collect your income, and the other side is your deductions, and then here's the checklist. And so it's just a nice place, and we give everybody leaves with one when they get their taxes done for next year, because you always need to be preparing yourself for next year.
And you can swing by and pick up one of these for free.
That's right.
And it's an envelope, so you can put
Yes.
all your W-2s and
That's
I guess
right.
your medical receipts.
Yes.
Any, I guess your marriage license copy or whatever you need. I'm not sure how that deduction works.
Yeah.
So whatever documentation you need for that, you can
Yes.
put in here as well. All right,
Yes.
super.
Yes.
And I guess the big benefit about e-file is that it's quick. You get the return quick, right?
It's quick, yes. You can get your refund back with not doing a bank product, just actually dropping it into your account in, you know, about a week. The average time is 2 weeks, but sometimes, according to when you hit on the cycle, it can be as early as a week.
Right.
And so it's really fast. And I just want to leave people with, you know, filing your taxes is one of the most important things you do all year. And I want you just to ask yourself, if I'm doing my return myself, or if I'm using it at what we call out-of-the-box software, or if I'm using a company, you need to ask yourself, are they a reputable company? Where are they going to be when I need them? Because if IRS writes you a letter, if the state of Alabama writes you a letter, where are they going to be when you need them? And that's an important question you need to ask yourself.
Definitely food for thought. Linda, thank you so much for being with us today.
Well, thank you.
We'll see you again soon.
All right, thank you.
If you've got tax questions, just call 205-339-1895 or learn more online at jacksonhewitt.com.